Welcome back to TechUnboxPro, and today we are going to take a complete and detailed look at the brand new Samsung Galaxy A58 Pro 5G, one of the most exciting mid-range smartphones of 2026. In this video, I will cover everything you need to know about the Samsung Galaxy A58 Pro 5G, including its design, display, performance, camera, battery life, and overall real-life user experience. Starting with the design, the Samsung Galaxy A58 Pro 5G comes with a very premium and modern look that feels just like a flagship device. The phone has a slim and lightweight body with a smooth matte finish on the back, which not only looks stylish but also feels comfortable in hand. The camera module is clean and minimal, and Samsung has done a great job in maintaining a professional design language for the A series this year. Moving on to the display, the Samsung Galaxy A58 Pro 5G features a large AMOLED display with a high refresh rate, which makes scrolling extremely smooth and responsive. Whether you are watching YouTube videos, Netflix, or playing games, the colors look vibrant, the brightness levels are excellent, and the viewing angles are very wide. This display is perfect for content consumption and gaming, especially for users who spend a lot of time on their phones. In terms of performance, the Samsung Galaxy A58 Pro 5G is powered by a capable 5G processor that handles daily tasks very easily. Multitasking feels smooth, apps open quickly, and there is no noticeable lag in normal usage. Even for gaming, popular titles like PUBG, Call of Duty Mobile, and Asphalt run very well on medium to high settings. The phone also comes with enough RAM and internal storage, so you can store your apps, photos, and videos without worrying about space. Now let's talk about the camera, which is one of the main highlights of the Samsung Galaxy A58 Pro 5G. The phone features a high-resolution triple camera setup with AI optimization. In daylight, photos come out sharp with good detail and accurate colors. The dynamic range is impressive, and HDR works very well. The night mode also performs decently, capturing bright and clear images even in low light. On the front, the selfie camera delivers natural skin tones and is perfect for selfies, video calls, and content creation. Battery performance on the Samsung Galaxy A58 Pro 5G is another strong point. The phone packs a large battery that easily lasts a full day with normal usage, including social media, gaming, and video streaming. It also supports fast charging, which means you can quickly charge your phone and get back to work or entertainment without waiting too long. In terms of software, the Samsung Galaxy A58 Pro 5G runs on the latest version of Android with Samsung's One UI, which is clean, smooth, and very user-friendly. You get useful features like dark mode, customization options, privacy controls, and regular security updates, which make the overall experience more reliable and secure. Connectivity is also excellent, as the Samsung Galaxy A58 Pro 5G supports full 5G networks, along with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and all the latest communication features. Call quality is clear, internet speed is fast, and overall network performance is stable. So the big question is the Samsung Galaxy A58 Pro 5G worth buying in 2026? If you are looking for a powerful mid-range smartphone with a premium design, smooth display, strong performance, good cameras, and long battery life, then the Samsung Galaxy A58 Pro 5G is definitely a great option to consider. This phone is perfect for students, professionals, gamers, and content creators who want a reliable all-rounder without spending flagship-level money. Samsung has once again proven that the A series can deliver excellent value for money. That's all for today's full review of the Samsung Galaxy A58 Pro 5G on TechUnboxPro. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to TechUnboxPro for more daily smartphone reviews, unboxings, and the latest tech updates from around the world.